At this time, Mr. Speaker, I'd like to yield 1 minute to my very good friend who serves on the Education and Labor Committee with me and as the subcommittee chair on the Agriculture Committee, the gentlewoman from Connecticut, Ms. Hayes.
Gentlewoman from Connecticut is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Today I rise to urge my colleagues to support the Honoring Our PACT Act, which upholds the promise we made to service members that we would care for them if they became sick or wounded while fighting to protect this country. This legislation recognizes the full range of military toxic exposures that service members have faced. This monumental package also includes my bill, the Palomares Veterans Act, which would remove barriers to benefits and compensation for those veterans who responded to one of the largest nuclear disasters in history. Over 55 years ago, a B-52 bomber collided with aircraft over the Spanish village of Palomares, creating radiation exposure in more than 1,600 U.S. airmen who had no protection when they responded to the crash. Decades later, many of these airmen are suffering and dying from health conditions that likely came from radioactive material. But the VA still does not count Palomares as a radiation risk event or provide these veterans with benefits or disability. My bill and the Honoring Our PACT Act would address this, ensuring these veterans get the health care and benefits they deserve and ensuring their surviving spouses and children are eligible for benefits. The job of Congress is to appropriate funds, yet whenever we want to help people, my Republican colleagues say no.
Gentlewoman's time has expired.
If we're not willing to spend on veterans, what are we willing
Gentlewoman's time
to
has
spend
expired.
on?
Gentleman from
With
California.
That, Mr. Chair,